To compare hospitals or ambulatory surgery centers, also known as outpatient surgery centers, on Florida Health Finder, begin here under Compare by clicking Hospitals, Ambulatory Surgery Centers. On the next page, we can see education and agency resources for hospitals and outpatient surgery centers. To continue with a comparison, click the button that says Compare Hospitals ASCs. 1. Choose to compare either hospitals or outpatient surgery centers. Today, I'll pick hospitals. On step 2, you can choose between quality of care, pricing, and patient satisfaction, or facility profiles. I'll pick the first option. And then on step 3, you can choose between a search by geographic location, medical condition, or overall facility performance. And today I'll pick the third option, and then click the red Continue button. In the first column, the names of the hospitals are listed in alphabetical order. The second column compares the total hospitalizations for each facility against a statewide total. The third column shows the average length of stay for that hospital. The next column shows the 15-day readmission rate. Let's scroll down to see what these stars mean. We can see that for the readmission rate column, 3 stars means that this facility had fewer readmissions given how sick patients were. In other words, better than expected. Down to 1 star, which means that this facility had more readmissions than expected. In other words, worse than expected. So keeping in mind that 3 stars is high and 1 star is low, we can see again the 15-day readmission rate. Here's a 2-star facility, a 1-star, a 3-star score, and so on. The final column says View Pricing List. And this is where Florida Health Finder brings price and quality together on a comparison tool. When we click the red $sign, a pop-out menu appears, and in the first column, list of medical procedures. And in the second column, the average state price for that procedure. And then the third column says View Pricing Details. Let's click the purple $sign next to hip replacement. And now we're going to see another website maintained by AHCA, and this is Florida Health Price Finder. This is where you can find pricing information on conditions and procedures in Florida. The pricing information on Florida Health Price Finder is shown as a care bundle. But what does that mean? Well, a care bundle is the price not only for the hip replacement, but if we click Care Bundle Details, we can see that the care bundle price for hip replacement includes the office visit before the hip replacement, the price for the hip replacement itself, the price for outpatient physical therapy, and a follow-up doctor's visit. All of these prices are rolled up together into one price, and that is your care bundle pricing. On Florida Health Price Finder, you can see the overview for the hip replacement care bundle, those care bundle details, as well as other information such as what to expect, questions to ask your doctor about hip replacement, how to prepare for the procedure, and related care bundle prices. On Florida Health Price Finder, there's pricing information available for the national average, the Florida state average, and for metropolitan areas in Florida. There will be facility-level data for all Florida cities coming soon to Florida Health Price Finder. For now, let's search for Miami so that we can see a metropolitan area's pricing information for hip replacement. Put Miami in the search box, and then click Miami Beach. And now we can see the national average, the state average, and the average price for a hip replacement in Miami. Remember that the prices that you see on Florida Health Price Finder are only an estimate, and you need to contact your healthcare provider for an accurate price before the procedure. Now we've returned to the hospital comparison tool on Florida Health Finder, and just to review, we can see the list of facilities in alphabetical order, and then quality and pricing comparison information next to each facility.